Hey guys, welcome to another video for St. Patrick's Day. We're going to go ahead and get started for this yellow-green eyeshadow look. We're going to go ahead and play down a light yellow-green base and then add a little bit more green to the color and use a fluffy brush to blend it out. Then we're going to go ahead and get like a slightly more darker green and add that to the end and blend that out as well. Now we're going to go ahead and work it in with some concealer to make that cut crease shape. And then we're going to go ahead and apply setting powder on the lids and then apply a liquid green eyeshadow and then another powdered neon green eyeshadow on top. We're going to go ahead and add some yellow and then blend that out with the darker green that we had from before. Blend that out with a blending brush. Add some green eyeliner, regular eyeliner, and then we're basically done with the look. Thank you so much for watching.